So plant-based keto is very popular right now. This is a newer Sunwarrior product. It's chocolate flavored, MCT base with trace minerals, 22% protein, 6% net carbs, joint support cognition. But how does it taste? Alright, so what I found interesting here was the suggestions. It says mix with 10 ounces, refrigerate, and use prepared product the same day. Suggested that you refrigerate it. I just think that's weird. Like 10 ounces is too much, people aren't going to be able to finish that. Or if you want it cold, don't dare use ice, don't use cold water or something. Okay, amino profile, alanine, arginine, aspartic acid, all those fun things. Okay, added sugars, none. 14 grams of protein, 28 milligrams vitamin C, 1 microgram of vitamin D. It's got some iron in there. I wonder if they would put oxalates on the labels at some point. I think that'd be a great idea. It's probably loaded with oxalates. And if you don't know, that's probably not so great for your kidney health, since it's made mostly with fermented pea protein. Well, the fermented means it's not going to be as much, so that's actually a good thing. MCT oil is going to be where all the fat's coming from. Vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Aquamin trace minerals from marine algae. Okay, well, that's probably a good source. Fava bean with L-Dopa. Good source of iron. The MCT oil is what's going to be curbing the cravings. Vitamin C can support your joints. Cognition from the trace mineral blend from the algae. Alright, well, let's see if this chocolate's gonna taste any good. So I've used quite a few of the Sunwarrior different products, whether they were the proteins, the keto things, the collagens, and they usually have a pretty good tasting Dutch chocolate. And this smells exactly like all the other ones, so I'm guessing I'm going to be tasting something pretty much the same as all those other ones that I've had from them. 10 ounces. Did you say 1 scoop or 2 scoops? 2 scoops. Alright, it's a fold up scoop. My blender bottle. Let's shake it up. Nope. Put the blender ball in. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of pea protein because it can be really, really gritty. And a lot of the times you can see grit factor just at the bottom of these things. Got some air bubbles, some movement, not a lot of foam on top. So overall, it looks like it might be pretty tasty. I'm guessing the MCTs in here might help balance out some of that grittiness, grit factor. All right. I'd say it tastes pretty good. Normal chocolate flavor I'm used to. No pea protein texture. No soy, no sugar, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. I'd say it's enjoyable. Maybe that's a little too highly to say. it's okay. It's definitely not bad. I think I'll actually finish it. So, I'd say that's a good sign. Stay healthy, guys.